Hello folks, do you want to learn how I created those previous video? Well, again, it's Roland from Rolweng.com. Today I'm going to show you how I created the previous video using a simple but a very affordable gear for your photography and taking some videos. So if you like this video, just click the subscribe button, click the bell so that you can receive more updates or more videos in Rolweng.com. Be with me and join me on how did I create that previous video with a cinematic effect. Thank you! And now let's do the unboxing of this professional 3 wheels wireless video camera auto Dolly. Okay, let's cut the tape. I'm excited for this one. Okay, let's open up the box. The box is so simple. It's just like a small box, but we'll see what's inside. Okay, wow, the inside of the box. Okay, so now the box is very simple, and inside you get all the necessary equipment needed, such as the ring wheels. This is the extra ring wheels that you can use for your Dolly motorized slider. Then of course extra battery. Then you have the Allen key you can use to adjust to fix the 1/4 and 3/8 inch. And then of course here comes the wireless remote control. So this remote control is designed to control these actions, so for convenient in using this remote control. So the remote control is also great, and it will let you adjust everything except the wheels without even touching the Dolly. And of course you have the USB charging cable, so you don't need to purchase additional batteries because you just charge the equipment, or you charge the Dolly to, it's either you can charge it to your laptop or computer or to the wall outlet. And of course we have the documents, the procedural or the products instruction structure. So you have different parts. Then you can attach it to your camera, GoPro, or to your pocket, Osmo Pocket. Then we have the warm tips. These are the tips on how to use this Dolly. And of course we have also this 1/4 or 3/8 screw rig that you can use for your DLSR. You can use it to your GoPro or smartphone. There's 2 thread mounts, one for the provided one, another for anything else that you might have. And of course our Dolly. The Dolly is a pure aluminum alloy metal frame and body, non-vibration when sliding with precise truck design and rubber ring wheels. So you have also the USB charging, so you can charge it using the cable provided. And of course you have the option to on and off, so you can off and on the slider. And then the other side you have the speed of the slider, so it has 3 speed actually. So this short one, then the slow, the medium, and then the faster. You can also control either right or left. So it's made up of alloy metal, so it's great. And of course you have the convertible screw, so you have the 1/4 or the 3/8 convenient screw. It's a good gear that you can use to your photography. So it's easy to carry. So the size is just like a palm of your hand. So it's very convenient. You can fold it. So it has 3 level speed: fast, medium, and slow. You can also take a panoramic shot surrounding in your surroundings by just adjusting the wheels. And you can also change the speed of the Dolly Slider according to your needs. You can do fast, slow, or medium speed. It's a nice gear for your photography. Actually, it brings you a cinematic effect in your photography or video. So you can also do the circle around the object. So once you adjust the wheels, you can do the circle around the object, and then it will do a circle in your object that you are trying to shoot or to make a video. This gear is really a perfect gear for those who wanted to have a cinematic effect for your video, and it's a good gear actually. Now you know how did I created that cinematic effect video using that simple yet affordable gear for your photography and for doing some videos in your YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that bell so that you can get more updates for the coming videos that I'm going to create in this channel. So if you want some more videos with a cinematic effect, just watch out until the end, because I'm going to show you another sample video of that cinematic effect. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.